Too many indicators on your chart, but still no clear entries? Let me show you a better way. The Xmaster formula combines 5 indicators: EMA, MACD, RSI, Stochastic, and Parabolic SAR into one clean oscillator. Green means buy, red means sell. In advanced mode, a signal only fires when all 5 indicators agree at the same time, and it does not repaint. You can tweak every parameter: EMA, lengths, MACD settings, stochastic, and RSI thresholds. Switch between standard mode for more signals or advanced mode for higher accuracy. You can also customize the colors, toggle the background fill, and enable alerts, all from the settings panel. The Xmaster formula works on Forex, crypto, gold, indices, any market. Free for TradingView, MT4, and MT5. Download link is in the description.